Bola, my name is Gabriel Varea. I've been residing on Niue since 2009, end of 2009. Currently working for the Ministry of Finance, Niue government. Our Fiji community, we've been assisting with the Constitution celebration for more than 6 to 7 years. So this year we've put our hands up again to offer our services for their 50th celebration. It's a big celebration, more people, a lot of overseas dignitaries. So we're blessed to be part of it, even though we won't be here as guests, but we're happy to help the country. That's our contribution as a Fiji community. And we also be blessed that we'll be hosting the Fiji president from Fiji as well. It's an honor for all of us. Some of us been here for more than 20-30 years. For them, it's a privilege to be part of hosting the president of Fiji tomorrow. No, we're just blessed. We're happy to be part of this occasion, momentous occasion for such a small island. 50 years of self-governing. They've prepared. They've started preparation like 6 to 12 months ago, and we've always said that we will. This is our way of contributing to the country, helping them, because not many people are available to help do the work, prepare the food, and so our community, we've always agreed that this is one of the opportunities and areas that we can contribute to the country. Every year it's always like this for us. We look forward to Fiji Day, but we also look forward to the Constitution celebration. Even though we'll be working, but we're happy. We're happy to be part of it as well. Miss all our families, but hope everyone's safe and hope everyone enjoyed Fiji Day. But we hope to share our memories with hosting the president tomorrow with our families back home.